what is the opportunity attached to Royal Q? What are the business opportunity? When you activate, you become a V1 member. When you activate your robot, you become a V1 member. And as a V1 member, when you tell your friends and they come through your link, you get 30% and 20% of your team's profit. 20% of your team's profit. Now, Royal Q takes 20% and Royal Q pays 20% of their 20% to you. Now, for you to become a V2, you need to refer 3 people. You need to refer 3 people directly under you, or you need to have 3 people that must be V1 directly or indirectly under you, and then you need to have 20 users that are activated in your team. And as a V2, you earn more money. As a V2, you earn 40% referral bonus, and also you earn 30% from your team profit. And you also get $10 when any new user join your team directly. From V2, you move to V3. From V3, you must have at least 5 people directly that have used your link under you, and then 3 of them must be V2, and then you must have 100 members in your team. There you earn 50% referral bonus. That's $50 for anybody you bring with your link directly. You are paid $50, and also you get $20 for every new user that join your team indirectly. That's fantastic. You also earn peer reward of 5%. From V3, you move to V4. For V4, you need to have 12 people in your team, and you must have at least 3 V4 members and 800 users in your entire team. And here you earn 60% direct referral bonus and also 50% team bonus. And also, any new user that join indirectly, you get $30. This is just a great way to leverage to make residual income. And then from V4, you move to V5. V5, you must have 20 bot users, and you must have at least 3 V5 members and also 1,500 users in your team. You must have at least 1,500 members in your team. Here you earn 65% bonus, and then 65 USD from that is 65% US bonus dollars, and then 55% on your team. And also you get $40 from every new member you bring, and also you earn 5% peer reward. The last is V6. For you to become V6, you need to have at least for you to become V6, you need to have at least, you earn 70% direct referral bonus, $70 from that's direct referral, 60% team profit, $50 from every new user you bring, and also 5% peer reward, and also 5% global dividend. This is fantastic while you are trading. So the reason why I like Royal Q is you are trading for yourself, and also you earn money when you bring others. So I want you to look into this opportunity, check it out. How do you get started? It's as low as $100. You buy the bot with $100 and you fund with $20 for a fee, then you are good to go. Thank you for listening, and God bless.